Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why people betray you even after all your loyalty? Why your boss ignores your efforts? Why your partner manipulates with silence? Why your so-called friends are all smiles but secretly sharpen knives behind your back? It's because you don't know human nature. Not truly. You've been lied to since birth. Conditioned to believe that people are good by default, that intentions are always pure, that the world rewards honesty, kindness, and hard work. But the truth? The world is a jungle. And if you walk into a jungle with the mindset of a lamb, you will become lunch. Stop pretending. Stop playing dumb. Ignorance of human nature is the leash around your neck. And I'm here to cut it off. You want power? Influence? Control over your life? Then listen carefully. Because this is not a speech. This is your awakening. And if you truly grasp what I'm about to teach you, you will become dangerous. Not reckless, not cruel, but dangerous in the most powerful sense. A person who sees everything and manipulates nothing, because your awareness alone is power. Let's begin with the first law of knowing human nature. Everyone is out for themselves. Every smile hides a motive. Every compliment masks a calculation. Every act of kindness, whether genuine or not, still comes from a place of self-interest. Even your own mother nurtured you because of the emotional bond she needed to fulfill. That doesn't make her evil, it makes her human. Humans are not angels. We are self-serving, status-seeking, narrative-driven creatures who will rewrite reality just to protect our ego. And until you see this clearly, you are prey. You will trust too quickly, love too blindly, and give away your power to those who have no intention of giving it back. So what do? You study people like a hawk stalks its prey. You observe. You question. You listen not just to what's said, but to what's unsaid. Because words lie, but patterns don't. Here's where most fail. They react. They get triggered. They explode in anger, drown in guilt, or collapse in confusion. You must become unshakable. Emotionally neutral, a master of observation. Here are 3 tools to begin your transformation. The mirror of motivation. Every human wants one of 5 things: power, validation, security, belonging, freedom. Your job? Identify which of these is driving their behavior. Is your boss obsessed with control? Feed his ego and he'll trust you. Is your partner constantly insecure? Give them certainty and you'll lead. Is your competitor desperate to be admired? Mirror their desire and you'll become invisible until it's too late. This is emotional judo. Use their weight against them, not maliciously but strategically. The law of masks. Everyone wears a mask. And the more perfect the mask, the more dangerous the person. Charming people are often hiding rage. Soft-spoken people often wield deep control. Loud, boisterous types? Often insecure at their core. Pierce the mask. Ask yourself, what are they hiding? What don't they want me to see? And here's the trick, don't confront them. Use the truth silently. Because he who understands human nature and says nothing owns the room. Control through detachment. Power comes from the ability to walk away. From not needing anything from anyone. The less you crave approval, the more influence you have. In dark psychology, this is called power vacuum control. When people sense that you are self-sufficient, emotionally stable, and mentally autonomous, they orbit around you. Why? Because most people are chaos. And chaos clings to stability. Detach. Not to become cold, but to become clear. The less you react, the more control you gain. Now listen carefully. You are not innocent either. There's a part of you that wants control, that wants to manipulate, that wants to dominate, win, rise, and be praised. Stop denying it, because whatever you deny controls you, but whatever you integrate empowers you. You want to know why people get played? Because they think manipulation is evil, so they pretend it doesn't exist. But the predator doesn't care if the deer believes in violence. So here's what you do. You embrace your own shadow. You learn the game not to destroy others, but to protect yourself. To build stronger relationships. To lead with strength, not fear. Know how to lie so you never have to. Know how to control so you never become the puppet. Know how to seduce so you can resist seduction. This is what the masters do. They see everything, need nothing, and move like ghosts through the battlefield of life. Let's talk about you. Not the mask you show the world, but the real you. The one who's sick of being used. The one who's tired of giving and not receiving. The one who knows deep inside, I was meant for more. You've been conditioned to be nice, to please, to wait, to believe that someday someone will reward you for your good behavior. Stop waiting. That day will never come. No one is coming to save you. No boss, no lover, no friend. Only you can rescue yourself, and the time is now. You want respect? Claim it. You want freedom? Earn it. You want control? Take it. This isn't just about dark psychology, it's about self-liberation. To know human nature is to stop being its victim. So what's the first step? Change your story. If your internal dialogue says, I'm not good enough, you've already lost. Rewrite it. Right now. I am powerful. I am disciplined. I am dangerous because I understand. Say it. I understand human nature, and I will never be manipulated again. Enough theory. Now is the moment. Right here. Right now. Take massive action. Cut out the toxic person. Step into the room with confidence. Call out manipulation without fear. Start the business. Burn the excuses. Learn. Watch. Study. Strike. This is a war for your life. And every day you hesitate, someone else pulls your strings. But not anymore. You've seen the truth. You felt the fire. You've awakened something lethal inside you. So unleash it. Become the calm in the chaos. The wolf among sheep. The kingmaker behind the scenes. You were not born to be a slave to your emotions. You were not born to be at the mercy of liars, manipulators, and cowards. You were born to see, to command, to lead. So rise now. No more naivety. No more weakness. No more lies. This is your revolution. This is your redefinition. This is your awakening. Know human nature, and you will know yourself. Know yourself, and the world will kneel before you. Now stand up. Own the room. Cut the strings. Unleash the storm. Take massive action now.